All right, so fishtails here in the middle. Let's do that test again. All right, what do we get? Left jet. Center jet. Right jet. All right, so that's all of the errors, but still missing sound. Down here, I'm going to do the volume up, and it should make music play louder. So there's no sound whatsoever from the game. Let's move it back down to something. Whoa, that's too high. Down. There we go. Come on, all the way down. Let's go. Let's go to about an 8. All right, so we're going to test these jets out and see what's going on with the sound. Are they related? We'll find out. So the game is in play. Of course, no sounds. Let's do the left pop bumper. Right center. Okay. There we go. Little insensitive. And then the right one. Back here for the 3 pop bumpers. These 2 are nice and tight, but I noted that this one was seriously wobbly. So I'll have to look at those screws. Look like they back themselves out, but to get to it, it's underneath this, what do you call it, the boat ramp. And so there's a screw here and a screw over here in the ramp, and you can just get it out of the way and get in there and tighten this puppy up. So hopefully it'll be nice and firm like his buddies over here and there. Up here at the center pop bumper, the body was severely loose and it was wobbling all over the place. And when I looked at the playfield, this is skirt here, it was kicked up. So it probably closed the switch here, which actually shut down these 2 switches. I'm just guessing, I don't know the path of the logic, but anyway, nice and tight, and let's put it back together. All right, let's see now if it shows an error on the display. All right, so there's no error report, but we still don't have sound. Let's take a look at the CPU. With the CPU here on the workbench, I noted a couple things, like right here on this connector here, what is it, J211, pin 1 was folded over. So I'm not sure if that happened when I disconnected everything, but it's now back and straight. I did pull this chip here because there was some, looked like maybe some corrosion going on. Cleaned it all up and reinstalled it. I also pulled, let me pull up here at the top, what is this, U6? Yeah, U6 right there. Cleaned the legs, reinstalled it, and also here U4. So I pulled that one and cleaned the legs, reinstalled it. I don't have an ASIC removal tool, so I just kind of press firmly all around it. And we'll see if this wakes it up. So this here's our Whitewater next door to our fishtails, and I pulled the soundboard entirely, swapped it into fishtails. I did get a bong at startup, so I do believe I'm gonna have sound. Let's hear it. It'll be incorrect because I've not swapped the ROMs. This is Whitewater ROMs into fishtails. So over here on the playfield glass of fishtails, we have our fishtails soundboard with Whitewater ROMs swapped into it. And back here in the back box, the Whitewater soundboard with the fishtail ROMs in it. It's already made a bong at startup. I have not yet started a game to hear what it sounds like. Let's give it a whirl. So we got the fishtail soundboard with the Whitewater ROMs installed in here. Let's see if we killed the sound in Whitewater. Oh yeah. Deathly quiet. Start a game. So there's no sound. So somewhere on the board, something's failed. So I'll probably end up sending this into DR Pinball to get it refurbed.
Here are the correct sound ROMs.